Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje Hugo Bros usanonsile-ke isquad sakhe seBafana Bafana esizohamba siyodlala league World Cup. Bani sibona-ke bafethu emva kwami isona-ke isquad seBafana Bafana lesi esibiziwe. So ngizosho nje abadlali ababiziwe amshoni babonile but-ke ngizokhuluma abadlali ebengifisa babe khona but-ke asikwazi ukuyithathela inqumo. Hugo Bros uyena-ke umuntu ophethe yabo sebabongela bonke ababiziwe sebahalilisela ngempela babe ne-tournament e-right abajida badlale kahle lapha bayi-represent iBafana Bafana babuye nayo i-World Cup. Ngiyabathemba-ke mina abajida bazokwazi-ke bafike banqobe lapha. Njengoba babona-ke ugoalkeeper abathathu, we spoke about Ronald Williams, yena goalkeeper number 1 eBafana Bafana currently. Ricardo Goss, another name abantu abaningi babeyitshela ukuthi-ke ngelibizwe but-ke ubiziwe uRicardo Goss. All I can say is that Hugo Bros is a very, very loyal man, so he really sticks to his players. Sibo Chain, there was those doubts regarding Sibo Chain after into yenzeka kwi-AFCON but-ke umjida-ke ubuyile kwi-squad seBafana Bafana wenze kahle kakhulu kwi-Betway Premiership so far. So these are the goalkeepers abahambayo bayodlala kwini na kwi-FIFA World Cup. Mase kuthi-ke kuma-defenders, there are lots of defenders and there is a lot of discussion regarding these defenders but-ke I won't talk about all of these defenders. I will just speak about those defenders amasha kule squad lesisibiziwe. Siyambona bafethu bani na uOlwethu Makhanya umjida odlala le ku-MLS. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona. I spoke about him earlier this year regarding him joining iBafana Bafana ukuthi-ke umjida kumele abe ingxenye naye iBafana Bafana. uHugo Bros amlande ngempela amdlalise more games. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona ebiziwe umjida. Siyambona uKabini, I think uKabini ubiziwe just because some of the players were injured but-ke that is a story for another day. Siyambona uBrady Cross. Brady Cross is another defender ebengayitshela ukuthi uzobizwa. Cross ungimangazile kakhulu bafethu, asibe nje nevar bafethu. No one knew ukuthi-ke uCross umjidi bese ubizwa. Uyadlala umjidi, uyalazi ibhola, jealous down, uyalazi ibhola but-ke being included kwiBafana Bafana, that is just but-ke I wish umjida-ke uzokwazi akathola ithuba lokuthi-ke ayidlalele iBafana Bafana mase siyali sibelebele umjida naye ulitholile ithuba lokuthi-ke abizwe for iBafana Bafana. Big shout out to Sibelebele bafethu, umjida udlale kahle kakhulu kule season, so kuyangijabulisa ukumbona ebiziwe uSibelebele. Siyambona-ke napha uIme Ocon. There is a whole discussion regarding Ime Ocon but-ke I don't want to jump into the Ime Ocon situation. You guys know the situation. The guy is a phenomenal player. He plays there in Germany. Umjida udlala kahle kakhulu, so I wish him to see and experience ukuthi-ke kuyini ukudlalela iBafana Bafana. Kumele umjida aqhubeke adlalele yona iBafana Bafana le e-USA. Asazi-ke i-defensive partnership mhlambe ngingangitshela kulama defenders akhona ukuthi-ke regarding i-defensive partnership, because we know ukuthi uMbekezile Mbokazi uzoba yilona defender elizoqala but-ke ubani ozoqala noMbokazi? Ingabe uLwethu Makhanya, ingabe uSibisi, ingabe uIme Ocon? Asasi ingabe uNdamane but-ke akakwazi ukuthi-ke aqale noNdamane. Ubani na uMbekezile Mbokazi? Between uIme Ocon, ubani na uSibisi noUlwethu Makhanya, one of those guys they must pair with uMbekezile Mbokazi. Mase size swini-ke siyambona-ke lapha amakwena Sithole Talent Mbatha in Jaden Adams. I think this is the formal Bafana Bafana bafethu le siyijwayele. Mase siya kuma-forwards, nakhona kuma-forwards we saw some inclusion abajida ababiziwe bafethu. Siyambona laphana uThemba Mshishizwane, there was discussions regarding yena umjida. Yangijabulisa ukumbona ebiziwe. Ikram Reyners. I spoke about Ikram Reyners. This is the striker, guys. Hugo Bros, kuyangijabulisa ukuthi-ke you finally came to your senses. Ikram Reyners is the national team striker. Kuyangijabulisa ukuthi-ke sidecide ukuthi sihambe ne-strikers u-3, hayi lento yosihlezi sihambe ne-strikers u-2. We finally went to a competition with 3 strikers, okuba na okuMakgopa, Lyle Foster and Ikram Reyners. For mina ngokwami I think umjida kumele awaqala ama-games Ikram Reyners but-ke Hugo Bros is the man to do that job. Tsepa Ngborem siyambona, Thapelo Maseko. I did a video yesterday speaking about Maseko that he must be included in that Bafana Bafana squad. He must be included in that Bafana Bafana setup. Umjida, he must go to the World Cup. And umjida-ke ubiziwe bafethu. I'm really happy for Maseko. I just hope uzolithola ithuba lapha. Sambona Mfukeng, the young boy, Oswina Police. I don't want to speak about the other guys. Siyazi vele bebezobizwa, yabo. But-ke there are other players who missed out on the opportunity to go to a USA playing for iBafana Bafana. I'll start with Peterson, guys. You know the story regarding Peterson. I'm not happy. I don't want to lie, I'm not happy regarding Peterson, but again, I think izinto ezikanje umjida as a player kumele zimakhe, kumele ayithathe simqinise right now currently. Kumele zimqinise izinto ezikanje. Akwazi ke next time ku competition elandelayo ngizodlala kahle ukuze ke uHugo Bros ezokwazi ukuthi ke angikhethe nami. Angehlisi izinga lakhe lokudlala njengamanje. Akumele nje ehlisa izinga lakhe lokudlala okungenani akavela likhuphule kakhulu ke manje izinga lokudlala ukuze ke azokwazi ukuthi ke abe included on the next competition ezayo okuyi-AFCON. Thabiso Monyane, I think vele bafethu Thabiso Monyane, it was very clear ukuthi ke umjida ngenzeka angahambi aye ku World Cup, because if you look on his position, players like Omudau, players like Abothabang Matuludi, those are the usual guys abajwayele ukubizwa vele Bafana Bafana. So it was pretty clear for umjida ukuthi ke angabizwa, same as uProclaim lapha esiswini bafethu. Midfielder Bafana Bafana, I don't think isazoshintsha anytime soon. Most of those players basabancane kakhulu. Yabo, I think ubani lo mjida lo uTebogo Mokoena uyena umdala kunabo bonke abajida laba balapha esiswini. So I don't think isazoshintsha anytime soon. Midfielder Bafana Bafana isaqinile nje ikanje. Lebo Mabowe, another player bafethu who I thought umjida uzolithola ithuba, but ke it is what it is. Hugo Bros just loves Usithole, so you cannot say anything yabo regarding Hugo Bros. Yabo, another player uThapelo Morena. I think uThapelo Morena, and the reason why engahamba ngumjida is because of his injury. Yabo, it's not just because sakadlali kahle. I saw Aubrey Modiba uyitholile ithuba lokuthi ke ahambe yena Aubrey Modiba, but ke uThapelo Morena akahambanga. I think injury. Tito Maswanganya, another player bafethu who I thought he was going to go to a World Cup, but ke who am I? Maybe Hugo Bros so ukuthi ke umjida. I don't know. I don't want to create any stories regarding uTito and his inclusion kwiBafana Bafana not being included. Yabo, I don't know regarding uTito. You can tell me in the comments, do you think it was wise for Hugo Bros? I don't know, man. Hugo Bros vele bezomselect uZwane. I feel like this is I don't know, maybe uZwane was retire kwiBafana Bafana after this competition. I don't know. But it was really hard for Tito Maswanganyi to get selected in that Bafana Bafana setup. It was very hard for him to get selected because there are many players vele bebedlala kahle, and leaving out a player like uZwane kuzoba hard kakhulu. I know uZwane vele naye akajwayele ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, but right now mu select the national team, I think we have to select ama leaders, abantu abazokwazi ukuthi ke mase kuyiwa le kwi-changing room abajida bakwazi ukuthi ba-encourage abadlali, yabo, not abadlali abathula abahlala ekhoneni, yabo. So I think ngokwami mina this is a perfect Bafana Bafana team, yabo, iyona i-team le bafethu ezokwazi ukuthi ke siyodlala kahle lapha.